Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is a folding Bluetooth keyboard, and I'm going to try this out on my iPad and see how it works. So let's open this up and see what we got. Let me aim you guys down a little bit here so you can kind of see a little bit what I'm doing. Okay, so in here we have folding stents. I guess this will line up your phone. A little stand for it. We have the keyboard, I guess, instructions here. We have a keyboard, and then we have charging cable. So it looks like it'll charge USB-C to USB to USB-C. Let's see what this keyboard looks like. This is what it looks like. I guess when you turn it on, it must light up already, but so maybe it's ready to set. Let's see if I can connect it here. I'm not going to show you guys my thing here. Every time I show the camera on here, it doesn't go, but once I connect it to Bluetooth, I'll see. What do you think this is called? Let's see, do I have this setting here? Connect. Okay, I see something called Bluetooth keyboard, and I clicked it, and now it says it would like to pair, so I hit pair, and so I imagine we are paired. So it says it's connected now. So now I'm just going to go into an app here, and I'll let me close this other stuff here, make it so we can actually see it. Okay, so now I have my iPad here. Let me aim you guys down at it, and we will see if things actually type when we type. Let's see. So type C-A-T. Oh, it works. Hey, look at that. Typing, actually, something comes out. I don't know if you can see it, but let me type a bunch of stuff here. And I'll hold it up and see whenever I type. There we go. Now we can see it. Maybe we couldn't see it before, but it's a very quick response time. If I go N-E-A-L, there's my name. So very cool. So let me put this right here. I don't know if you guys can still see it or not, but let me just try to see how the keyboard feels as I'm typing. So let's see, how would I hold my hand? It's a little weird because it doesn't have the letters through there. But ASDF is where you keep it, and then like this here. So if I go HELLO, well, it works pretty good. So there, so it does that. I guess it has these other kind of buttons here, these Alt. I don't know what these are going to do on an iPad. Control function, but I guess that would be for probably a computer or something. So kind of a nice little keyboard. So if you needed something to connect to an iPad, or if you like a nice portable one, but me, I'm kind of an IT guy, so what I would use this for is probably I will just take this with me. So if I go to somebody else's computer and either they have a disgusting keyboard, or if they don't even have a keyboard on some sort of automation systems and things like that, you just need to connect up a quick keyboard, be able to use this for that. So how cool is that? It's a nice little folding keyboard. It folds up nice. Let me see what this little stand thing was here. This is the other part that came in it. I'm gonna guess this is just how you can kind of lean something up against it. Yeah, so you can, so basically just a little plastic, nothing fancy, like that. So you can stick your phone into the little stand there, or iPad, or whatever it is that you have. My iPad has a stand, so I don't know if it will even fit with that. Yeah, it would still fit in there. You can kind of see it's holding it up. So yeah, kind of nice. Nice little, cute little stand that it folds up super flat. I guess I'll stick this in my little IT bag of things as well. So this and this, and we're ready to go. Very cool. Now let's see, where's the charging port on here actually, just to kind of get the full effect and see where everything is. Right there at the top. So very cool, and it looks like when you open it up and close it, it turns on and off by itself. So I like it. So Bluetooth keyboard, the B023, gets a thumbs up from Neil.